In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily check gainers and losers on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a widely used platform that provides price details on cryptocurrencies, market capitalization, and trading volumes. It's a great tool for anyone interested in cryptocurrency trading or simply keeping up with market trends. First, let's start by heading over to the CoinMarketCap website. You'll want to open up your favorite web browser and enter the URL coinmarketcap.com. Once there, you'll be greeted with a dynamic interface showcasing a plethora of data, including the current prices of numerous cryptocurrencies. It's important to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it will be useful for your crypto journey. Now, to check the gainers and losers, you need to hover your mouse over the Cryptocurrencies tab, which is placed prominently in the main navigation bar. Take your time to find it. It's important not to click immediately. You're looking for a simple hover to reveal additional options. Once you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several choices to explore different areas of the cryptocurrency world. One of the options you'll see in this menu is labeled Gainers and Losers. At this point, you can go ahead and click on this section. This area is especially useful because it provides a quick snapshot of the market movers, both the gainers who have increased in value and the losers who have decreased, all in one place. You'll be able to gain an instant understanding of the current market trends, noting which cryptocurrencies are outperforming others. As you navigate through the Gainers and Losers section, evaluate the list that displays a detailed breakdown of the top cryptocurrencies with significant price changes. For gainers, you'll see the cryptocurrencies that have experienced the largest price increases over a specific time frame. Conversely, the losers will display those that have had significant declines. This offers valuable insights into market volatility and potential trading opportunities. If you're new to this, take a moment to click on any of these currencies to dive deeper into their specific performance metrics. You can uncover historical data, price charts, and trading volumes, all integral parts to refining your trading strategies or ensuring a knowledgeable investment approach. Before concluding, remember one of the perks of using CoinMarketCap is its dynamic nature. It continually updates and refreshes prices, giving you the most current information available. This makes CoinMarketCap an indispensable tool for staying abreast of the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to check gainers and losers on CoinMarketCap. By following these straightforward steps, you'll effortlessly keep track of your chosen cryptocurrencies and stay informed on market